Hello, sir. I am Midshipman Christopher Sumo. Section is 1AR. Topic 3. MARPOL 73 to 78 Convention. The MARPOL 73 to 78 Convention, short for the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships, is a comprehensive international treaty adopted by the International Maritime Organization to address various forms of pollution from ships. It consists of principles, responsibilities, and objectives to minimize marine pollution. Here's an explanation of this aspect at the different requirements for construction, equipment, and operation. Principles. Prevention. The primary principle of MARPOL is the prevention of pollution from ships. It emphasizes the need to take proactive measures to minimize the discharge of harmful substances into a marine environment. Sustainability. MARPOL promotes the sustainable use of the oceans and seas by reducing the impact of shipping activities on marine ecosystem. Cooperation. It encourages international cooperation and coordination among member states to address marine pollution effectively. This includes the sharing of information, research, and best practices. Technology. MARPOL recognized the importance of developing and adapting new technologies and practices to minimize pollution and improve the environmental performance of ships. Responsibilities. Ship owner and operators. Ship owner and operators are responsible for ensuring that their vessels comply with MARPOL regulation. This includes the proper construction, equipment, and operation of ship to prevent pollution. Flag state. The flag state of a vessel is responsible for enforcing MARPOL regulation on ship registered under its flag. It is also responsible for conducting inspection and issuing certificates of compliance. Four states have the authority to inspect foreign flag ships entering their port to ensure compliance with MARPOL regulation. They can detain non-compliant vessels and take enforcement action. Objective. The primary objective of MARPOL 73 to 78 is to prevent and minimize pollution from ships. This includes specific objectives related to various types of pollution. Preventing oil pollution. MARPOL aims to prevent oil pollution by regulating the construction, equipment, and operation of oil tankers and other ships carrying oil. It sets standards for oil discharge limit and requires oil pollution emergency plans. Controlling harmful substances. The convention seeks to control the discharge of harmful substances, such as a chemical noxious liquid, by establishing regulation for their transport, handling, and discharge. Manage solid waste. MARPOL addressing the management of solid waste, including garbage, plastic, and sewage, by setting requirements for their proper disposal, storage, and management on board ships. Reducing air pollution. MARPOL has provision to reduce air pollution from ships, including limits on sulfur oxide and nitrogen oxide emission from ships' exhaust. It also encourages the use of cleaner fuels and technologies. Requirements in construction, equipment, and operation. The MARPOL Convention includes specific requirements for construction, equipment, and operation of ships to achieve its pollution prevention objectives. The requirements vary depending on the type of pollution being addressed and the specific annexes within MARPOL. Here are some examples. Oil pollution. Requirements include double hulls for oil tankers, segregated ballast tanks, oil discharging monitoring equipment, and oil pollution emergency plans. Chemical pollution. Regulation cover the construction of chemical tankers, cargo and handling provision, and discharge criteria for noxious liquid substances. Sewage pollution. MARPOL sets standard for sewage treatment system, sewage discharge limits, and the establishment of sewage management plan. Air pollution. The convention addresses air pollution through Annex 6, which include regulation on sulfur content in fuels. emission control sets, and energy efficiency measures for ships. These requirements are designed to ensure that ships are built, equipped and operated in a manner that minimizes their impact on the marine environment and prevents pollution. Compliance with MARPOL is critical to protect the health of the ocean and seas and the creatures that inhabit them. That's all. Thank you. Bang!